Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin basically also in line with Ethereum, currently coming down. Before we start here with Ethereum short term, I just would like to emphasize my view about this general downturn that's occurring, that has been occurring since the high at around 25.2k. So my view is still that we are in some kind of an ending diagonal, an ABC pattern, ABC, that we're now in the C wave. And in this C wave, we have a wave 1 down, a wave 2 to the upside. There will be a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5 down. So at the moment, I'm not fully convinced that Bitcoin has completed the overall bear market. It is technically possible. I did say that before as well. But the decision will really be made in the area around 21.7 to 22k, and especially if we break above this B wave high at 22.7k, but already below that, the chart will flip from a bearish into a bullish scenario should it break substantially above the 21.7k level. So this is highly important to understand. I'm not married to the idea we need to make a new low. It's just that the chart at the moment doesn't show any strong evidence that we have put a low in place. In fact, if you zoom out a little bit, look at this. This actually looks like that we are putting some kind of a large ascending wedge in place here. And this is not a bullish pattern. This is rather a bearish pattern. So be aware of this. We could move a bit higher here and maybe we reach the 21.6, 21.7k area. But unless we really go above it, the focus would be on the downside. So that we would come down shortly in a wave 3 and make new lows, okay? Again, not married to the idea. I think generally there is short-term upside potential still. And I'm still very open to the idea we could actually break out of the wedge to the upside. But because the wave count actually allows it and suggests it. But we also need to keep in mind that this could already have been it, or maybe there will be one more leg up. So at the moment, we have the idea or the potential that we have completed either this fifth wave to the upside, the fifth wave of the C wave of the wave 2, and we are coming down now. I don't see any evidence for that yet. In fact, it's actually holding quite well, especially compared to Ethereum. So there's one more idea. I'm not going to change anything permanently here on the chart yet, because I want to see it first if it's playing out. But I will make you aware, obviously, in the videos to come as well. And we'll change it as we go. But just want to make you aware of possibilities now, because we have come down. Not substantially, really. I think for Ethereum, it was more important to hold here the $1,600 level, which it didn't do, but I discussed that in the Ethereum video. I think here also we have the possibility that this is either a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, in a wave 4, so that this wave 4 actually was never finished. It will be finished over here. So triangle is a possibility, or very simply, A, B, C, which is the other possibility that wave 4 was never finished. Then there is one more possibility that would be actually super bullish, and it would lead to a very long wave 5, in that we're saying that this here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave 5. I mean, that could take us to 22k plus, okay? I think what is important in the, let's say in the very short term now, is to understand what are the key support levels, where should it hold, because different wave counts are possible, different interpretations are possible here at the moment. I think in terms of the Fibonacci retracements, it would be important to keep an eye on the following levels, especially here, the 20,769 level. We're finding support there. That's where the previous wave 4 low is. That is normally strong support. And then the 61.8 level at 20.6k and 20,358, the 78.6% retrace. And then we would also probably see here the support level of the overall channel or wedge. So I think as long as we're staying in the wedge, these scenarios that I just talked about are easily possible, and the bounce to the upside is easily possible. If we drop below that, it could mean some further downside, possibly all the way down to around 19,870. And really only if we drop below that level, then we have to say that a really substantial high has been made. Then we have more evidence for that this high is actually already in, and we're already coming down in a wave 3. There will be then one more chance to find support, and this would be at the $18,900 level. But if we drop below that, then I think it's pretty much confirmed that we're coming down in the third wave. Okay, and that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.